Hey, Knack here. Welcome to my trading world. I once let a trade through that had no business passing my filters. The price looked big. The volume looked big. But statistically, it was ordinary. That mistake cost me $340 in drawdown before I built the fix. Most traders look at price change in dollars or percent. That's incomplete. A 1% move means nothing without context. Context like, how often does this stock move 1%? Z-score gives you that context. And the formula is simpler than you think. I'll write it out exactly. X is today's price return. Mu is the mean of returns over a look-back window. I use 20 days. Sigma is the standard deviation of that same window. The result tells me how many standard deviations away from normal this move is. I'll show you the exact threshold that triggers my signal. It's not what most people guess. Here is the Python I actually run inside NacArtha. Panda's rolling window, 20 periods. One line calculates the mean, one calculates sigma, one divides. That's it. The complexity isn't in the formula. It's in what you do with the output. Now, why 2.0? Because under a normal distribution, only about 5% of observations fall beyond plus or minus 2 standard deviations. When price breaks that boundary, I'm not looking at noise anymore. I'm looking at a statistically rare event. That's where edge lives. Now, the student scene. My student asked me the exact question I used to ask myself, and the answer changed how I filter every single trade. She's right to ask that. A 2% move in a volatile stock might score a Z of 0.67, not a signal. The same 2% move in a quiet stock scores 4.0. That's exactly why Z-score self-adjusts for each instrument. It's volatility normalized by design. Inside NacArtha, Z-score is one layer of a 4-layer filter. Layer 1, momentum score above 60. Layer 2, volume surge at 1.5 times average. Layer 3, RSI 14, not in extreme overbought or oversold territory. Layer 4, Z-score magnitude of 2.0 or higher. All 4 must pass. 1 failure. No trade. Here's the exact number I planted earlier. The threshold I told you wasn't what you'd expect. Most traders guess it's 3. Some guess 1.5. My live threshold is 2.0. Not because it's textbook, because backtesting NacArtha's signal history showed the highest Sharpe ratio improvement at exactly that level. 2.0. That's the line. Subscribe to NacArtha. I trade every day. You should know what I know. Follow the algorithm. See you tomorrow.